Imagine slipping on a pair of ordinary-looking glasses and suddenly having information, translation, navigation, and hands-free video recording available right in front of your eyes without ever pulling out your phone. That's the experience these new Xiaomi Smart Glasses are trying to deliver, and today we're diving deep into what makes them so exciting, why so many tech enthusiasts are paying attention, and whether they might actually be the wearable device that finally changes how we use technology in our daily lives. Welcome to TechVibe, where we explore the future of tech before it becomes mainstream, and if you're someone who loves innovation, you're going to want to stick around to the very end of this one. These smart glasses are designed to look subtle and stylish, like a regular pair of frames, but inside them is a powerful blend of camera technology, AI-powered features, smart audio, and real-world utility. They're lightweight and comfortable enough for daily wear, which is something a lot of previous smart glasses have struggled with. Instead of looking bulky or experimental, these feel like a natural step toward practical wearable tech, something you can actually see yourself using at work, while traveling, or during your everyday routine. One of the most impressive features is the built-in camera. It allows you to capture hands-free photos and videos from your natural point of view, which is perfect for creators, travelers, vloggers, or anyone who wants to record moments without holding a phone or camera. Whether you're biking, walking through a city, or documenting an experience, you can simply press a command and capture what you're seeing in real time. It gives your footage a truly immersive, first-person perspective that feels more natural than traditional filming. But the technology doesn't stop at recording. These glasses also include AI-powered real-time translation and visual recognition. Imagine standing in another country, looking at a sign or a menu, and instantly understanding what it says without needing to open an app. Or having spoken language converted into something you can follow more easily. For travelers, students, content creators, and global professionals, this isn't just a cool extra feature, it's something that can genuinely improve everyday communication and reduce barriers when exploring new places. There's also intelligent object and scene recognition, which allows the glasses to identify what you're looking at and provide helpful context or information. It feels like having a smart assistant built directly into your vision, working quietly in the background without interrupting what you're doing. Instead of constantly pulling your phone out of your pocket, the information simply becomes part of your environment. Audio has been designed carefully as well. The open-ear listening experience allows you to hear notifications, calls, music, or navigation guidance while still staying aware of your surroundings. That means you can walk, commute, or take calls without blocking out the real world around you. It's subtle, discreet, and designed to blend seamlessly into your lifestyle rather than drawing attention to itself. Battery performance is another important factor, especially for wearable tech, and these glasses focus on providing enough power to get through active use during the day. The idea is simple. You put them on, use them naturally throughout your routine, and recharge them like any other modern smart device. No gimmicks, no unnecessary complexity, just straightforward functionality built around practical everyday use. Now here's where things get really interesting. These glasses aren't positioned as a novelty or a fashion gimmick. They're meant to be a genuine companion device, something that enhances your smartphone instead of replacing it, while still pushing toward a future where more technology becomes wearable, invisible, and seamlessly integrated into daily life. And that vision is what really sets them apart. Think about your day for a second. You walk into a cafe and discreetly check a notification without pulling out your phone. You navigate through a new city while keeping your head up and your eyes on your surroundings. You capture a moment instantly without fumbling through pockets or unlocking screens. You respond to a call or listen to directions while staying fully aware of everything happening around you. These kinds of experiences feel subtle, but together they paint a picture of what the next wave of personal technology might look like. Of course, no device is perfect, and like any new technology, availability, compatibility, and ecosystem support will continue to expand over time. But what matters most is the direction this device points toward. It proves that wearable smart glasses are no longer just a futuristic concept or a tech demo, they're becoming practical, useful, and meaningful in real-world situations. For creators, these glasses open up incredible first-person filming possibilities. For travelers, they remove language barriers and add confidence in unfamiliar environments. For professionals, they offer discreet access to information and communication tools. And for everyday users, they represent convenience, freedom, and hands-free interaction in a way that feels natural rather than overwhelming. If you're someone who loves being ahead of the curve, the person your friends come to for tech recommendations, devices like this are worth paying attention to. They hint at a future where screens become smaller, technology becomes more wearable, and the line between digital and real-world interaction becomes smoother and more intuitive. So here's the real question: are smart glasses like these the next big leap in personal technology, or are they just the beginning of something even bigger? That's what makes this moment exciting. We're watching technology evolve in real time, and the possibilities from here only get more interesting. Before you go, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you actually wear smart glasses in your daily life, and what feature excites you the most: hands-free video, AI translation, or real-world information appearing right when you need it? Share your opinion in the comments, because the future of tech is something we're exploring together. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to TechVibe, hit the like button, and stay tuned, because the next wave of innovation is already on the way, and you won't want to miss what comes next.